President-elect Donald Trump just made history as the second president elected to a second term non-consecutively. He's also the first convicted felon elected to the highest national office. Here in Fulton County, President-elect Trump still faces 8 charges tied to election interference accusations from 2020. 11 Alive's Caitlin Ross with our Verify team examines what happens to that case now.
Now that Donald Trump is heading back to the White House, some viewers are asking, can the Fulton County RICO case against Donald Trump move forward now that he's president-elect? Our sources include 1974 U.S. Supreme Court case, United States versus Nixon, and a 2000 Department of Justice memo. Right now, the election interference case is on a months-long pause. That's because Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis faces allegations of an inappropriate relationship with former Special Prosecutor Nathan Wade. The Court of Appeals is set to hear oral arguments on December 5th to decide if that case can resume. If the case is allowed to proceed, precedent says a sitting president or president-elect does not have immunity from state-level criminal prosecution. In the 1974 United States v. Nixon case, the U.S. Supreme Court held no one, not even the president, is above the law. And because this case is being heard in Fulton County, state courts have the authority to prosecute individuals, including sitting presidents or president-elects, as laid out in the 2000 DOJ memo. So we can verify that, yes, the Fulton County RICO case against Donald Trump can move forward even now that he's president-elect. But legal experts say that's unlikely to happen while he's in office. When Fulton County Superior Court Judge Scott McAfee previously asked Trump's attorney whether his client could be tried in 2025 if he were to win the election, Steve Sadow said, "I believe under the supremacy clause and his duties of the President of the United States that his trial would not take place, if at all, until after he left his term of office," according to court transcripts. And the idea that a trial could be held before Inauguration Day on January 20th seems implausible. Former Fulton County prosecutor Darrell Cohen, who is no longer involved with this case, told 11 Alive he anticipates a lot of legal challenges if DA Willis tries to move the case forward.
The Supreme Court of Georgia will probably have to get involved if the case continues.
With your Verify, I'm Caitlin Ross.